Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mercury versus modern mirrors. We'll delve into the fascinating history and evolution of reflective surfaces. For centuries, Mercury played a significant role in mirror production, but today, safer and more efficient alternatives are widely adopted. We'll examine the distinct characteristics of each, focusing on their reflective properties, durability, and, most importantly, their impact on health and the environment. Join us as we uncover which option truly shines brighter. Historically, mercury mirrors were crafted through a process involving a tin-mercury amalgam. Artisans would spread a thin sheet of tin foil onto a flat surface, then pour liquid mercury over it. A heavy object would press the glass onto this mixture, forming a reflective layer. This method, while producing beautiful mirrors, exposed workers to significant health risks due to mercury's toxic nature. The reflective quality was good, but the environmental and health costs were extremely high. Today, mirrors are predominantly manufactured using safer and more advanced techniques. The most common method involves vacuum depositing a thin layer of silver or aluminum onto the back of a glass sheet. This metallic coating is then protected by several layers of paint, ensuring durability and preventing oxidation. This modern approach eliminates the severe health hazards associated with mercury, making production much safer for workers and significantly reducing environmental impact. The reflectivity is also excellent. When comparing mercury versus modern mirrors, the advantages of contemporary technology are clear. Modern mirrors are vastly superior due to their safety profile, completely eliminating the severe health risks associated with mercury exposure. Furthermore, they are environmentally friendly, preventing the release of toxic mercury into our ecosystems. The manufacturing process is also more efficient and cost-effective, making them widely accessible. With comparable or even superior reflective qualities, modern mirrors are undoubtedly the better and safer choice for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.